So today I'm showing you a home that's located 20 minutes from downtown Austin, has access to the Dripping Springs ISD schools, and is located in the wedding capital of Texas. I'm Kathleen Magat, your Austin real estate agent, and I'm at 1229 Jacksdaw Drive, and it's located in an upscale neighborhood in the Ridge in Reunion Ranch. Now look at this entrance. It just gives you that wow factor, the open concept. I want you all to take it all in. This single level home has 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and is just over 3,000 square feet on a little over 0.3 acre of a lot. Now this open concept floor plan is spacious. It has a wall of windows bringing in a ton of natural light. The modern fixtures, the waterfall, countertops, it really is the epitome of modern luxury perfection. So one of the things that I love about this home is how open and spacious the floor plan is. You have the living room that allows for plenty of seating, a casual dining area that's next to it, along with a formal dining room, great for entertaining. Look at this kitchen. It flows nicely from the dining area and the living area. The kitchen features stainless steel appliances, a place for your wine fridge or mini fridge, whichever suits you, a gas range, and a large pantry. So one of the features that I love about this home is this sliding door. It allows you to open it up, giving you that indoor and outdoor living experience. So on those cool summer nights, you can open it up, just take in the warm breeze, and hear the waves of the pool. This backyard is the perfect oasis. I hope you enjoyed the tour of this home. This house is asking for $939,444. It's located 20 minutes from downtown and has access to the Dripping Springs ISD schools. If you have any questions about this home or would like to know more information about similar homes in the area, please reach out. My contact information is below. I'm Kathleen Magat, your Austin real estate agent. Until next time.